Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be going over the posture that we use in dance. There are two types of posture that we'll be going over, Afrocentric and Eurocentric. Today, we'll take a look at the Eurocentric posture. This is the posture that you'll use most commonly in ballet, musical theater, lyrical, and some modern and contemporary. Now, you'll probably recognize the Eurocentric posture since it's what we've been using in each lesson so far. Starting at the feet, we'll bring them together in first position and shift our weight forward. And if you don't remember first position, make sure to check out the video on the 5-foot positions. Moving up the legs, stack your knees over your ankles and keep them straight and supple. Zip the thighs and glutes, hold the muscles tight, and stack the hips over the knees. This is the center of your balance. Moving up the torso, tuck the tailbone in just a touch and pull it down to straighten out your lower back. Tighten your core and hold it just like the thighs and glutes. Pull up in your obliques and flex your pec. This is the center of your strength. We'll keep the arms en bas, and if you don't remember the posture for en bas, then be sure to check out the video on port de bras. Finally, up to the head, lift the chin and extend the neck to lengthen out the spine. And that's our Eurocentric posture from head to toe. Easy, right? Now, next time we'll get into our Afrocentric posture, and then some Eurocentric posture checks. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full, live, online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.